Dad, we're back for more layout views. There's some Fullerton Railroad days. Check out that police car full of stuff. And this is the Lego layout. Oh, helpers! There were helpers on that freight train. Freddy's meat. And there's
blueberry, raspberry,
and there's houses. And these just looks like from my apple tree house.
Oh, okay. Is it good?
And check out that hotel with an elevator. That building has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 floors.
Shaved ice, but super fine and wonderful flavors. Like, you don't have to have more going on over here. We went last night. They closed at 9.
Oh, and check out that locomotive, 482. Stopping near a hotel with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors. And there's a Lego freight train. Engine 264295. 9724. 93. Yeah, 93, 387 and 8661. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, and check out that UP freight train. It's hauling cattle carrier cars and double stack cars. 8670 is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 cars. Oh, Dad, check out that Lego Amtrak train. It has engine 507. Those are great Lionel layouts. Southern Pacific.
Between HO and O.
And check out this train, pulled by diesel 5057. It's an Illinois Central engine, pulling Empire State Express 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. 484.
One guy.
And check out that. Show me where it is. Oh, Dad, check out that waterfall. Rio Grande 361. One, two, three, four engines. That's a 280 engine, just like engines 340 and 41 at Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah, it's a 280. Alright, Dad, I'll see you on the BNSF Locomotives. Bye.
Bye.